In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit your site using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com will guide you through the process of setting up bookings on your website. Let's get started. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Now, it's important to make sure you're using the correct login so that you can access all the features you need for your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all of your sites displayed. Choose the website where you want to add bookings and click to open its dashboard. This dashboard acts as your command center, allowing you to manage all aspects of your site effectively. Once you're in your site dashboard, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side menu and click on it. From there, navigate to the App Market. This is your go-to place for adding various functionalities to your website. If you need anything from e-commerce solutions to booking tools, this market is where you will find them. Now, search for Wix bookings in the App Market. This tool is designed to help you set up a seamless booking experience for your clients. Once you locate Wix bookings, click on Add to Site. This will automatically install a bookings page with a calendar and booking form on your website. This feature makes it easy for clients to view availability and schedule appointments directly through your site. Next, click on the booking calendar in your site dashboard. This is where you'll refine and enhance the booking options available to your clients. Navigate to Bookings and then Services. In this section, you can add your offerings, including various services like one-on-one appointments for scenarios such as coaching calls or private lessons, classes for group activities like yoga, and courses, which are ideal for multi-session programs. Be as detailed as possible with your service descriptions to ensure that clients know exactly what to expect. After you've added all the services and offerings, the next step is to publish your changes. When you click on Publish, your changes go live, making them available for everyone to see and use. Publishing is the final seal of approval on your website's updated functionality. Finally, click Done to complete the setup process. By this point, you've successfully added and customized a booking feature on your website using Wix's user-friendly tools. With these steps, your site is now equipped to offer streamlined booking options, enhancing user experience, and potentially boosting engagement and sales. And there you have it. You've learned how to navigate manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to add powerful booking